we need to be preparing ourselves and our homes for another lockdown. I am a licensed nurse in the state of North Carolina. Back in 2019, about December, and then early 2020, I was working in a facility, and it was an assisted living facility. And the first thing that we saw was an outbreak of the norovirus. The norovirus broke out in early January, February 2020. Right after norovirus, we then saw, the C word come about. And it came drastically fast after the norovirus. And I want to tell you that there is no coincidence that this is happening again in the United States. Norovirus is a virus that causes acute gastroenteritis in the stomach. It is known as the inflammation of the stomach. And some of the symptoms you'll experience is diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, and extreme stomach ache. So there is no cure for the norovirus. You basically have to let these symptoms pass and just give yourself a few days to recuperate while you are hydrating, keeping your fluid intake increased. Make sure you're having electrolytes and eating light foods and vegetables such as fiber to help bulk up those bowel movements. So, is there a correlation between norovirus and the C word? And are we seeing the same routine play out as we did in 2020? And now we have another illness added into the equation, actually a couple. So we have the HMPV virus actually showing up. And we actually seen this before, but it's actually starting to come in the forefront as it is affecting China. They're actually experiencing an outbreak of human metapneumonia virus right now. So, according to Cleveland Clinic, human metapneumovirus is a virus that causes symptoms such as cough or wheezing, runny nose or sore throat, similar to a cold. So most cases are mild, but in young children or in adults over 65. And it weakens your immune system, and it also causes a risk for serious illnesses. So this article was posted on January 17th, on yesterday, 2025. This is by Fox Business. So the bird flu outbreak at Georgia poultry facility pauses sales. This is the first bird flu outbreak at a commercial poultry operation in Georgia, and it has been confirmed. So this is going to halt the sales of chickens at this facility in Georgia, leading to a shortage of birds chicken. So let's find out a little bit more about this. Georgia officials have confirmed the state's first case of bird flu, halting all in-state poultry exhibitions, shows, swaps, meets, and sales until further notice. A poultry producer in Elbert County on Wednesday noticed signs of avian flu in their flock, according to the Georgia Department of Agriculture and the United States Department of Agriculture. Samples were tested and confirmed by the Georgia Poultry Laboratory Network and USDA. So this is very serious. This is going to affect the sales of chicken in the state of Georgia, and as you know, with these zoonotic viruses, it spreads pretty fast. So we're going to see a shortage of chicken and an increase in eggs, even egg prices, though we have already seen the prices go sky high. So we are looking at so many potential illnesses that could cause a lockdown, and I feel that it's going to come. And so we need to prepare our house and be ready for what is to come. We are living in Matthew 24. Whether you believe it or not, is besides the question. Facts are facts. Yeshua told us how these times would look, and yeah, it's coming to pass, and we're in a time of great sorrows. So it's time to prepare our houses like Joseph did for the 7-year famine, because it is coming. Best thing to do is stock up on your immune system boosters, like that zinc and elderberry that I was telling you about, and vitamin C. You can get it right off of Amazon Prime. You can check out my Amazon storefront. Everything will be there in the description for you. And let you take a peek at this article so you can see exactly what's going on and what I'm reading from. So make sure when you are going to the store, you are stocking up. And as I discussed in my previous video, what you're buying, buy extra of that so you have it on backup. So you're recycling through everything you use, and you're not just letting things sit in storage. You're actually using it so that if something were to happen, you wouldn't have to go to the store for a few months. And make sure you're getting your water, your protein sources, your fiber, your food, and seeds as well. And with a lockdown, if you remember what happened, there was a lot of things that you didn't even think that would go short did. So it's best to be prepared so that you don't have to worry about what is to come, and you know what's going to come after this. Whichever one's going to cause the lockdown is, all right. I don't participate. I did not participate in the previous one, and I don't plan to participate in this one. And no, I'm not going to. So please prepare your heart and your mind and your spirit, and pray Psalms 91 over your home, and prepare mentally, spiritually, and physically for what is to come. I love you guys, and I pray the best for you and your home, and I will be back with another video shortly. Have a blessed day.